Now, I'm going to show you a picture of what a French kiss shot looks like. You'll see this on the video probably Tuesday, but there it is. Man, that looks good. It looks like a cupcake. Okay, you just want to eat it. I got 3 shots of the picture there. You just want to eat every one of them. And I'm sure the calorie intake is just fantastic. Let me tell you how to make this drink here. If you want to impress your friends with some beautifully layered shooters, you need to check out the French Kiss shot. These little tequila shots combine grenadine, rum chata, and Tequila Rose and are garnished with whipped cream and pink sugar for a little extra sweetness. Now here's what you need. It's 1 part grenadine, 1 part rum chata, 1 part Tequila Rose, and you're going to garnish it with whipped cream with pink sugar. And here's how you prep it. You drizzle grenadine into the bottom of the shot glass. Let me see if I can show you here in the bottom of the shot glass. Okay. Then you're going to layer the rum chata over the grenadine carefully. And what you're going to want to use is a bar spoon. Turn your bar spoon upside down and pour slowly the rum chata onto the bar spoon so it layers nicely and it gets you that nice separation of the grenadine and the rum chata, okay? You're going to top with a layer of Tequila Rose and garnish with whipped cream and sprinkles. And there it is once again. And you can get this beautiful thing here. I'm going to show you the picture of the actual package. It's Naughty or Nice, Tequila Rose. And they got about 4 recipes on the back as well. If you want to be naughty with sexy strawberry or nice with an adult milkshake, your choice, your pick. I guess it all depends on what time you're drinking it. And you can go to George there at the Milan Plaza Liquor Depot and check out what he's got. Tell him you heard it here on the radio and buy him out of all his products so that we can stay on the air. So check it out, Liquor Depot, Milan Plaza.